content creators, like a big thing, like, or anybody, like you post, you want to see how many likes you do. For me, when I post, I like post in like close app and I don't look. You know what I'm saying? Like that, like constant, like okay, let me see, like it's not changing nothing, dog. You know what I mean? And so I'm big on like again remembering, okay, why did I do this? I post this because I have fun, not because I want a lot of likes. I post this because this is a valuable thing I thought of. If it hits somebody, it hits somebody. But guess what? I enjoyed making it, so it doesn't matter. I think a lot of people fall in the trap of it because the goal ends up becoming things they can't control. And so I don't value any success in things I can't control. I can't control if you like me. I can't control if you like my picture. I can't control all these things. And I think that's where comparison hits. Because people may be successful off of things they can't even control. They may have got lucky. You know what I'm saying? They may have had a parent that those aren't in your control. And I think comparison is such like a bad street to go on because you will never have the full perspective. Never, ever, ever will you have the full perspective of anybody's life. You don't even have the full perspective of your own life. Like you can't even see it. Like you can't even see the times like you almost got hit by that bus, but like you didn't even know. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
So it's like we never have the full perspective of life, and so it's no point of comparison, comparing yourself to anybody else. And so I just put my phone away. I have to remember why I'm doing something. Like really be honest, why are you doing it? And if it's the wrong reason, then you really need to stop doing it. And then it's just like